Creating YouTube thumbnails with Canva pre-made templates. Step-by-step guide. Hello everyone! Welcome to Hint Solutions. Today, we'll show you how to make awesome YouTube thumbnails using Canva's ready-made templates. These thumbnails will help your videos stand out and get more views. Step 1. Sign in to Canva. First things first, make sure you're signed in to your Canva account. If you don't have one, don't worry. You can create a free account easily. Step 2. Start a new design. Once you're in Canva, click on the Create a Design button at the top. Step 3. Choose Custom Dimensions. In the next screen, select Custom Dimensions. The recommended size for YouTube thumbnails is 1280 x 720 pixels. Step 4. Select a pre-made template. Now, you'll see lots of thumbnail templates. To find the perfect one, you can search for keywords related to your video's topic or title. Step 5. Customize your thumbnail. Let's make it your own. Double-click on text to change it to your video's title or any info you want. Adjust the fonts, sizes, and colors to match your style. Swap out images or graphics by dragging and dropping what you want. Add your logo or branding elements. Step 6. Adjust background and filters. You can make your thumbnail more eye-catching. Click on the background to change its color or add filters for effects. Step 7. Download your thumbnail. When you're happy with your design, hit the Download button in the top right. Choose JPG or PNG for the best quality. Step 8. Use the thumbnail on YouTube host. Time to put your new thumbnail on your YouTube video. Go to your YouTube channel and click YouTube Studio. Find your video and click on Details. Scroll down to Video Thumbnail and choose Custom Thumbnail. Upload the thumbnail you just created. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more YouTube tips. If you have questions, just leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.